Oh, okay. Right now, guys, it's hailing outside, so Sean's camera in, and let's go. Want me to just go out there?
Yeah. I'll videotape you.
Alright.
Maybe open the door.
Oh yeah, it's still coming down hard. I don't want to go out there.
Okay, then move. Let me go.
Look at it. Look up at the sky. Look up at the sky.
Oh, it hurts.
Oh, it's like ice. Look at inside. Get inside. You're in the fridge right now. Come on.
It's really weird. Look at all that ice.
I know the screen's not wet. So yeah, guys, it's snowing ice outside, which is hail, right?
Yeah.
It's hail. Sean's cameraman, and yeah, it hurts. And it's cold, and I have a stuffy nose anyway today, so that's bad. Anyway, guys, I'll probably do a Happy Wheels tomorrow. And this is kind of like just like a brief rain update or weather. Would you say it's weather, Sean?
Yeah.
All right. Well, anyway. Oh yeah, we saw a cop car earlier. And anyway, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hope you like the rain. It hurt. It really hurt. It did hurt. Anyway, guys, peace out. Joey. Rain.